Alright, so in this very short video, we are going to be looking at how you can actually set the color codes for every brand. It is very important you know the brand of a particular, the brand color of a particular company or a brand you're working with, because you want to kind of maintain the color code. You want to maintain the color code, and so that's why as a professional video editor and also graphic designer, you want to kind of make sure that every time you're creating graphics or any form of maybe video content, it has to be like you're actually kind of stable with its color code, you understand? And this is why it's very important you know that. Okay, so got so good, I discovered how you can actually do that on Kinemaster. It's not difficult at all. It's not difficult. Okay, so and this is just how we're going to start, and let's just dive in. So let's say we want to create a video now on Kinemaster and we want to achieve the color code. All right, so first thing first, let's say create new. Let's click on create new, then 60:9 is okay. Click on next. All right, so then images, then we just click on white for now. Okay, now we can extend this. All right, we can extend this. Now this is where it starts. This is a color. By the time I click on it, there is this color that will come out here. I can actually click there, you understand? So now anytime I want to set the color code, you always notice the color code is here. Look at the color code here. FFFFFFF. You understand? FFFFFF. That's the color code, and that's why it is white. By the time I click on another color, you will see that that color code will definitely change. Did you see that? Did you see this? Did you see this? That's changed from FFFFF. So if anytime you're creating video on Kinemaster, you're not limited to all these colors alone. You are not limited, because that's what most people think, that oh boy, I'm limited to all these colors. No, you're not limited to all these colors. You can actually create more colors that are even far better than this. That's why it's quite better you get the color code of the brand. All right, so let's just take for instance, now how do you set the color code? Instead of just coming here, like this side is what is leading to all these things you are saying here, you understand? So, and this side, if I should click on this one now, you'll see what I will see. Now this particular side also, you can use it to set up the color code. This side also, you can use it to set up the color by moving any of these things. You see that the color code will be changing. However, it's not the best, you understand? By the time I keep moving, can you see the color code changing? Can you see the color code changing? You understand? It's changing. The color code is changing. So, but for me, I just prefer to go with something that really looks nice, that is quite easier, and that's why I'm going to be using the third option here. So now it's very simple. If you notice this thing, you are going to see we have three lines here, right? We have RGB, those are primary colors, right? So now the first two letters after that hash, after this particular hash, you see here, after this hash, the first two letters or alphabet, that F1, it is this red that is controlling it. It is this red that is controlling it, and that is why if I move that red, you will see that that's the only thing that will be changing. Can you see that? That's the only thing that will be changing. Do you understand? That's the only thing that will be changing. Let me change it to 000. I want to change the color to black. Okay, now but I'm already done with the first two figures or two letters. So let's go to the next one, that is the green. So the green will control the next two letters, the next two figures you can see there. You understand? The next two figures you can see there. So I told you I want to form black, right? Can you see that? You understand? Then for this blue now, so I can actually just use that also. The next, that 40 that you are seeing, it is the blue that is controlling it. Can you see how easy it is? Now I've already gotten my black. By the time I click on this mark button, you'll see that everything turns to black. So it's not difficult at all. Okay, just make sure you note the color code, and by the time you note the color code, you just use all this white side to check. So let me check. Let's say the color code is A1400AB. What did I say? A1400AB. How do we achieve that? A1400AB. So I'm going to take this app and start looking for A1. And start looking for A1. Can you see A4? A1. Now we have A1. I said A1, okay, 40AB rather. A1 40AB. So G now, go to G and set 40. 40 now. I'll move it, keep dragging it until I get 40. Until I get 40. Can you see? Then AB, I'll go to B now, that B, and drag it until I get AB. And you see the color code that will come out, AB. Can you see that? So look at the color we formed. And once I'm done, I'll just click on this mark button and I have my color code. So it's as simple as that. Setting color code on Kinemaster is as simple as this. So I hope you get value from this. If you get value, make sure you do subscribe to get more valuable content, because on Thursdays 5 p.m. GMT I post valuable content on video editing here. So there are a whole lot of apps you can actually achieve with your smartphone without literally waiting for you to get a sophisticated tools. You understand? So I'm so glad to have everyone here today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you throw this video a like and share to your loved ones. Cheers.